Good morning, grade 2 students. Welcome to our science online class with me, Teacher Ray, and we are still learning even in this pandemic that we are facing. How are you today? I hope you are okay, and we are excited to see you soon by the second semester. So we are missing you so much for the long, I think 5 months ago. So we are not seeing each other again, but this time maybe next semester we can see and learn together. Anyway, last time you answered or you complete the sentence in letter C, page 20 and page 21. By this time we are reviewing the lesson because this is the lesson for the term test for the book. So we are going back again for the topic. It's all about living things. So we all knew that the living things can breathe, can jump, can do everything, can grow. And then non-living things, of course, car, stone. We have a lot of non-living things around us. So now you know the living things and non-living things. This time we are going back again the video so that you have an idea what you are going to answer in the book. Okay? So what else are the different characteristics of living things and non-living things? So we have different characteristics. So here, living things can move, yes, by themselves. Look at the children. They are running around in the garden, running around. So we can walk or run with our legs from one place to another. Even the animals can run, can walk, because they are living things. How about the non-living things? Can they move? Can they run? Can they jump? No, it can't be, because non-living things is no life, obviously. Okay, so we can run, we can move, we can play game. Animals move in many ways. Some walk, fly, slither, swim, run, jump, and climb. So they have different ways to move. Some walk, like us, we can walk. Some fly, yes, the birds can fly. Slither meaning they have to move on the ground like a snake. They have not, they don't have legs. They use their whole body to move forward. They call it slither. Swim, yes, the fish. Run, jump, and climb. So we have here the best example: an elephant, a bird, or an eagle. A snake. This one snake is a slither. It can slither, cannot walk. Slither only. Fish, yes, can swim. Cheetah can run, can jump, can run very fast. And of course, frog. So these animals, they move in different ways. Again, these animals can move in many ways, like walking, like flying, like slithering, like swimming, like running, like jumping, like climbing. Okay? So they have to move in different ways because they are living things. Please remember that. Even human being can do that. So plants do not move from one place to another, yes, but they show movements too. How, teacher? How? An example here, we have a sunflowers. Move their heads, flowers, to follow the sun. So that's why they are called by sunflowers, because they look like the sun and they look after the sunlight. When the sun go to the east, they move their head to the east. When the sun go to the west, they move as well. So they are aftering the sun, because we all know that the sun is their food, or the process wherein they can get the food, wherein the sunlight. Again, flower cannot move, but they can show movement too. Easy? Understand? Understandable? Very easy. Okay? Let's have another example. The mimosa plant, or they can call it a shy plant, closes its leaves when it touches. After a few minutes, it opens its leaves again. So this is the type of a plant that if you try to touch, again, if you're trying to touch the leaves shut very quickly. That is called mimosa plant, or respond to stimuli. Just like us, if you touch the heat object, your brain says it's hot, so you are moving backward. Oh, it's hot. So you are respond to stimuli, because mimosa plant, people, us are what? Living things. Here we have a Venus flytrap plant. Closes its leaf when an insect crawls onto it. So this is a plant that will close when the insect go in the leaf. Okay? The name is Venus flytrap. Again, Venus flytrap. So living thing respond to stimuli. Okay, the mimosa plant respond to stimuli. If you touch it, it closes very quickly, and then after a few minutes, they open again gradually. The leaves on it. Okay, when the snail was touched, yes, when you touch the snail, it go inside. It go inside, and then it will not move until he move again after a few minutes or a few hours. That's as a response to stimuli. Okay, we have here the millipede. When the millipede is touched, it looks like this. Like this. It's like number 6 or number 9. Why millipede? Because it has many legs. Many legs. That's why they call it millipede. Okay. When you touch the millipede, when they walk, and then you touch the back, it forms like this. So that is the responding to the stimuli. So next we have Nocturnal animals like bats, owls sleep during the day and awake at night. Nocturnal meaning they are awake in the evening and they are sleeping in the morning. Okay, what are those? This is owl and bat. I don't know what do you call this in your language, but this in English this is owl. An owl is an animal that you can see during the night. In the morning, this bird will sleep. And also this bat. They are very active in the night. They are looking for the food. They are wandering. They are moving. They are flying. In the evening. During the morning, okay, they sleep because they don't like the morning. They sleep in the morning. As human being, and the other hand, we sleep in the evening, and then in the morning we do homework, we do jobs, we do things. Okay, so these are the nocturnal animals. So let's think. The ceiling fan moves, but it's not a living thing. Why? Why? Okay. What do you think? The fan is moving. Yeah. We all know that if the thing is moving, we can call it living things. However, this is the best example that ceiling fan moves, but it is not a living thing because it cannot breathe. Still a non-living thing. Fan or electric fan, wall fan or ceiling fan, anything that moves, they are not living things. Still belong to non-living things. Alright, so let's answer your Science 2 book, page 22 to 23. Okay, let's answer page 22 and page 23. Okay, good day everybody. Let's answer your Science 2 workbook. Go to page 22 and we will answer letter F, and then we will answer letter G. 2 pages that we are going to answer. So in this part, check the living things and cross the non-living things. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 diagram, and we have 2 check and X in this area. Okay, so I give you 2 random answers, so that you have an idea again to answer the workbook. Okay, let's begin. So we will start by saying living things we use check. Okay, again, if we say living things we use check, if non-living things we use X. So let's answer. I answer this part. What do you call this one? It's a worm. So is it check or X? Okay, that is check, because it is a living things. Okay, good job. Next, I have here, we'll go to non-living things. Okay, here, this is a slippers, a pair of slippers. So what do you think? Is this the living thing or non-living things. So if you say living things, you put check. If you say non-living things, you put X. Okay? So we'll answer that by putting the X sign. X sign. Okay, you will answer the rest and you know what to do. Give you time to answer this. Okay? And then let's move on to letter G. Letter G. Match the question to the correct answer. This is 10 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 points each. So I give you 2 answers. Okay, get your ruler and pencil and start making or connecting the line. Okay, so I give random answer. So we have here left side and the right side. So in the left side, what do plants need to make their own food? So in here we have the answer. So how do fish breathe? What is stimulus? Why do living things carry out excretion? And what happens to a millipede when it is touched? So I gave you 2 answers so that you have an idea how to do it. So here, to remove waste materials from their bodies, it curls up its body, sunlight, water, and air, gills and changes in the environment that causes a response. So I am answering number 3. So number 3, what is stimulus? The stimulus is a change in the environment that causes the response. Okay, good job. It's like a shy plant. If you touch it, it changes or it responds to stimulus. Okay, number 4. Why do living things carry out excretion? Excretion meaning their waste is they put their waste outside, carry out excretion. So my answer here is to remove waste materials from their body. Okay, so the rest, you do your best, you do the answer. Okay, and letter H, check the things we need to stay alive and cross the check the things that we need to stay alive and cross the things we do not need to stay alive. So in here we have food, watch, car, water, cell phone, and air. So all you have to do is you make a sign like this, check, or X sign if you think that is not appropriate. So let's answer. I give you 2 answer again, random answer. So a food is important to us, yes or no? If you say yes, you put check. If you say no, you put X. Okay, the answer is check, of course. One more. Do we need the car to stay alive? I don't think so. We need, this is just only one. So the things that we need to stay alive is the important, like food, water, and air. So the rest, the other picture, the other diagram is just only the ones for us. Okay, do you have any more question? Okay, again, 22 and 23, you answer 2 pages, letter F, G, and H. Okay, Any more question? Thank you. Keep safe. Have a good day. Goodbye.